for CUT exam this year.
Menteri Kesorkar Jela iba pol lengdo anin kesngil ong ba kai pod jing toket alor ke jing bamsap bayadei bat ukau jong usnam arhajar foi kala dep bat baro ke jing keno alor ke jing bamsap ICDS kilong ke ba klem nong rim haba kren skilat pathai kubor ba lengdo ula ong ba amdan wat tang kendiat ru ke jing shisha alor ke te ke jing keno kani kalong ke jing pensngau ka balabu Ahmad UAG jong ke Jela bat ula syai bat snguthu ha ke jing kmi ibnia jong u kumta amla ban ong bakane kade ke kambam sap
Because of lack of coordination with the Assam police, where the scam was supposed to have taken place, I had observed accordingly that in future there should be a definite timeline for inquiries so that parties who are alleged to have committed such scams are not and the department are not dragged into needless controversy.
Katanat social well